I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from EE to 3UK, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Get your PSE code. To port your number, you need a porting authorization code PSE. You can request this by texting PSE to 65075 from your EE phone. You should receive the PSE via SMS within a few minutes. Step 3. Sign up with 3. Once you have your PSE code, sign up for a new plan with 3UK. You can do this online or in store. Make sure to provide your PSE during the sign-up process to initiate the number transfer. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. After you've signed up, 3 will process your request. The number transfer usually takes up to 1 working day. You may experience some downtime, so keep your EESIM until the process is complete. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Once your number is active on 3, you allow receive a confirmation SMS. Check that your number is working correctly by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter issues, contact 3S customer service for assistance. Switching your number can be a hassle, but following these steps should make it easier. Good luck with your new plan, and enjoy your time with 3.